how to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher for free with FunZap. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher absolutely free. And I mean free. No hidden fees, no gimmicks. Just follow along and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Before we jump into how to get your free voucher, let me show you the process. I'm on my PlayStation Store right now and I'm going to redeem a $50 voucher. All you have to do is head over to the Redeem Code section, paste in the code you'll get in just a moment, and click Continue. Boom! Voucher successfully redeemed. As you can see, my PlayStation account is topped up with $50. The great thing is, this voucher converts to your local currency automatically, so it works wherever you are. Now let's talk about how to get your own voucher. Head over to fundzap.com. Just type in the website address fundzap.com on your browser. It's a trusted site that offers tons of great deals like this one, and I'll show you exactly how to grab yours. Once you're on the site, look for the section with PlayStation Store voucher codes. You'll see different options like $50 vouchers, sometimes even $100 ones. Pick the one that suits you. Click on it to unlock your code. Now, to unlock your voucher code, you'll need to complete a few simple tasks. These tasks are really easy, and they won't take up much of your time. They might include downloading apps, completing offers, or just performing basic actions like viewing content or using apps for a set amount of time. Choose any task from the list. Some may be really quick, while others may take a bit longer, but none of them are difficult. Just follow the steps to complete the task, and then head back to FunZap. After completing the tasks, refresh the page on FunZap, and your 12-digit voucher code will be ready. It's as simple as that. Now that you have the code, head back to the PlayStation Store and paste it into the Redeem Code section. Click Continue, and your $50 voucher will be added to your PlayStation account, ready to use. And that's all there is to it. You've got yourself a $50 PlayStation Store voucher completely free with FunZap. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Got any questions? Just ask and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Give me a sign, a sign.